Do you want to learn how to make sexy outfits for raves, pole fitness, cosplay, bar and restaurant workers, and even exotic dancers? Well, this is the channel for you.
Digital sewing patterns at basictees.com.
I have been sewing sexy for 30 years. And before that, I was an exotic dancer. If you look at the clothes that they wear now at raves, they're the same thing that I was wearing over 30 years ago. And I had the honor of learning how to make those garments at the gentlemen's clubs in Dallas, Texas. I was hired as a house mom. I sat in the dressing room. I made custom garments. They would bring me ideas of exotic outfits and I would teach myself how to sew. Years later, I opened up a retail store called Basic Tees Boutique. Unfortunately, the internet killed retail, at least local retail. I sold the sexy items I made. After the store closed, I had a successful Etsy store. I just got tired of sewing. I would rather teach you my trade and sell you my sexy PDF sewing patterns. I'll share a new video with you the first Friday of every month. I'll have a new sewing pattern on the weeks that I don't publish a YouTube video. So I'll have a new sewing pattern 3 times a month. If you like what I'm dishing out, go ahead and subscribe. Check me out at basictees.com where you can buy my sexy sewing patterns. Coming soon is teesshoes.com where you can buy alternative footwear directly from me and ship directly from Pleaser USA. And until next time, stay sexy. Bye.
Digital sewing patterns at basictees.com.